How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I want to talk to you about the next big GameFi project on Solana. So we're going to be looking at that. It could be the next Rollbit killer, some people are saying. I see some other videos here on YouTube, and people are pointing out the fact that it is much smaller than Rollbit so far, and it has some pretty good numbers behind it. So we're going to take a look at it. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video. If you want to do a little bit more research, this is a sponsor of the channel. There's a link to Megadice underneath the video. They are in pre-sale stage. So they're actually going live on Radium in just a few days, in 4 days. Right now, they're in the final phase of their pre-sale. So pre-sales, high risk, high return part of the market because we don't have them launched fully. So way that you can get in on this, you can connect to the website. They actually have instructions on the website. Connect your wallet, enter pre-sale, and claim your DICE tokens when the pre-sale ends. Right now, the price of one DICE token is about 0.116 cents. So they do have a very active community right now, to be clear too. On Telegram, they have 16,000 members, and it's very engaged. They also have a pretty good Twitter following. You can see here 28,300 followers with some of the people that I know as well. With them launching in a few days, they are doing a little bit more marketing, which I think is a good thing. You know, some people hate marketing, but the fact is getting their name out there is so important because there are so many cryptos today. You need to show what sets you apart, and you need to get eyeballs on your project. So they have 4,000 plus games from top providers, 50 plus sports and esports games, 50,000 plus players, 10,000 active monthly players, and 50 million in monthly wagering. They've been recommended or talked about on Bitcoinist, Crypto News, and BN Crypto. They're doing a big airdrop too. So they've done a couple airdrops so far, $750,000 USD airdrop. They did a second season where they did another $750,000, and then they're doing a $750,000 airdrop right now. Keep your game strong with 21 days in wagers, at least 5,000 USD retroactively. So this is based on the expected launch value. Some of their values or some of their features here: daily rewards to holders based on casino performance. No other platform does it quite like Megadice. For holders of DICE that have their token staked, we introduce our first of its kind daily rewards based on the performance of Megadice Casino. Now everyone can share in the success of one of the world's fastest growing online crypto casinos. So when you stake your tokens, I've seen really high APYs up into the couple 100%. You can actually see it right here. Clicking on staking, the APY right now is 287%. Now that obviously changes a lot depending on the monthly wager amount. Like if all of a sudden people aren't trading as much, then the staking can go down or the APY can go down. And if there are less people staking, but there's more wagering, obviously you would think that it would go up, right? The APY would go up. Some of the tokenomics: the pre-sale is 35%, airdrops for players 15%, LP 15%, casino dice pool 15%, staking rewards 10%, marketing and KOL deals 5%, and affiliates 5%. As you can see, no tokens for the team here. They have to buy in just like everyone else. They have a white paper here and the roadmap, which starts with pre-sale marketing, pre-sale token claiming, allocated liquidity provision, early staking incentive, and DEX launch. They have some frequently asked questions as well here. When you go follow their Twitter page, you can get updates on obviously some of the new updates here. DICE launch on Radium. We're excited to share that DICE will officially launch on Radium DEX on September 30th at 1500 CET. Get ready for the next big step for GameFi and Solana as we bring unparalleled opportunities and exciting rewards, including exclusive airdrops, exciting partnerships, futures trading, higher staking APYs, mega jackpots, and the life-changing casino promotions. Stay tuned for more updates and mark your calendars for the big day. A lot of people are comparing this to something like Rollbit. So Rollbit is around a $215 million market cap. From what I can see here, not the total market cap, but the starting market cap will be around about $43 million, $45 million. As you can see here, Rollbit has a circulating supply of 2.6 billion tokens. The total supply, it actually shows as lower. So really weird here how Rollbit shows up. But they say the market cap's around 215 million, which is about 5 times the size of Megadice. And if you scroll out here, you can see it was all the way up at 800 million back in November of 2023. So obviously, this has fallen down over time, just with altcoins most likely, bleeding a little bit towards Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people getting ready for the altcoin rally. A lot of people think altcoin season's coming here soon. Bitcoin dominance has fallen by about 1%, but as you can see, we saw significant resistance here around this 57% mark. You can see getting rejected once, and then some previous support. So if we bounce off this, we could see dominance go up. But if we break through it, then a lot of people are calling for an altcoin cycle, especially with more liquidity coming into the system and with the Fed lowering rates. So I think we will get back into a time where, some pre-sales just explode. Of course, investing in pre-sales is risky. You kind of are like buying little lottery tickets, right? So keep that in mind. Like 1 or 2 might do really well and the other ones might fall down. So that's just a risk you have to be willing to take. You can see some big transactions happening here. One whale bought $22,500 worth of Solana in this pre-sale. Another whale put in about 20,000 USDT into the pre-sale. Like I said, it is going to be launched in about 4 or 5 days. And then they're also doing that big airdrop. In case you want to get in on that, you can look at some of the conditions here. So they do have, like I said, a lot of games. It seems like they have a lot of players or a lot of users right now. They are working on growing Twitter, growing on YouTube, or growing their presence on YouTube as well. They have future partnerships and listings. They're planning to launch the token on Radium. They're expecting some sports partnerships with top tier football teams and more centralized exchange listings to come, targeting the best tier 1 and tier 2 exchanges. So will it surpass Rollbit? Let me know down below in the comment sections. As I said, this is starting smaller than Rollbit, so be on the lookout for this. We don't have too long to wait. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Check out the link underneath the video to the website and to their Twitter, to their Telegram, all that, in case you want to join and learn a little bit more about it. I always think the better, or the more research, the better. So definitely check those out. Thank you so much as well to Megadice for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.